There is a scent that older women wear that makes people turn around in the grocery store, lean in during a hug, and ask the same question every single time. What are you wearing? It is not the newest celebrity fragrance. It is not something trendy influencers are shouting about online. It is something quieter, something classier, something that has been turning heads for decades while younger women chase whatever smells popular this month. Today I am revealing 10 of these perfumes. Some of them cost less than your morning coffee run for a week, and by the end of this video you will know exactly which ones to try first. Welcome back to Elegant Beyond Age, the home for women who believe style and elegance only get better with time. If you are new here, I am so glad you found us. This channel is all about looking polished, feeling confident, and doing it without spending a fortune. And if you have been with us for a while, you already know we keep it real, practical, and budget-friendly. So grab your tea, get comfortable, and let's get into it. Before we get started, let me tell you why this particular topic matters so much. Fashion trends come and go every single season, and it can feel exhausting trying to keep up with all of it. But fragrance is different. A truly great perfume does not care about trends. It simply becomes part of who you are, and it stays that way for years, sometimes decades. That is exactly why we are focusing on scent today instead of clothing or accessories. This is one investment in your personal style that never goes out of style. Before we dive in, tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips like these. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and it means more free advice for you every single week. Now let's talk about perfume number 1. Here is something nobody tells you about scent. It is the one accessory that people remember about you long after they forget what you were wearing. Think about your own grandmother or an aunt or a favorite teacher. Chances are you cannot picture her outfit clearly, but you remember exactly how she smelled when she hugged you. That is the quiet power we are talking about today. So let's walk through these 10 together, one at a time, slowly, so you can really picture each one on yourself. I promise you will find at least 2 or 3 that surprise you, and maybe one that brings back a memory you had completely forgotten about. Perfume number 1. Chanel number 5. We have to start with the one that started it all. This is the scent that has been sitting on vanity tables since the 1920s, and it still holds its own today. It carries that soft, powdery floral note that feels timeless rather than trendy. Women who wear this are not trying to smell like whatever is popular this season. They smell like elegance itself. There is a reason this bottle has barely changed its design in over 100 years. It does not need to change. The scent itself is a careful blend of aldehydes and florals that somehow manages to smell clean and luxurious at the same time, which is a harder balance to strike than people realize. Spritz it once on the wrist, once behind the ear, and let it settle into your skin for a few minutes before you step out the door. That waiting period matters more than most people think, because the opening notes are sharper, and the true elegance reveals itself once it warms up against your body heat. A small bottle lasts a long time because a little truly goes far, which makes it more budget-friendly than people assume once you break down the cost per wear. Many women who wear this daily find that a single bottle stretches across an entire year of regular use. That is real value, not just a pretty name on a shelf. There is also a wonderful tradition tied to this particular bottle. For generations, it has been the gift daughters give their mothers, the gift husbands give their wives on anniversaries, the gift a woman treats herself to when she wants to mark a milestone. That kind of legacy is not something a new fragrance launch can manufacture overnight. It has to be earned slowly, one generation at a time, and this one has earned it many times over. Perfume number 2. Estee Lauder Youth Dew. This one has a warm, spicy depth to it that instantly reads as confident and grounded. It is the kind of scent that lingers on a scarf or a coat long after you have left the room, and people notice. Many women who grew up in the 70s remember their own mothers wearing this, and there is something comforting about carrying that same warmth forward. What makes this one especially clever for every day, whereas how well it holds up through the day without needing constant reapplication. A single spray in the morning can still be faintly present by early evening, which means you are not digging through your purse for a travel bottle every few hours. It works beautifully layered under a wool coat in the colder months, since the fabric holds the warmth of the scent close to you all day long. It is affordable, widely available, and it has never needed a marketing campaign to stay relevant. You will often find it at pharmacy counters and department store sales for a fraction of what newer designer fragrances cost, proving once again that a beautiful scent does not require a beautiful price. This is also one of the easiest fragrances to find in bath and body sets, which include lotion, powder, and cologne together at a bundled price. Buying the set rather than just the bottle often works out cheaper per ounce, and it lets you layer the scent through your entire routine, from the shower to the final spray before heading out the door. Perfume number 3. Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. Bright, fresh, with just enough sweetness to feel youthful without trying too hard. This is the scent for the woman who wants people to feel her energy before they even see her outfit. It works beautifully in the daytime for lunch with friends or a walk through the farmer's market, and it does not overwhelm a room the way some heavier florals can. There is a citrus and rose combination in this one that feels almost effortless, the kind of scent that makes people ask what you did differently today, even though you simply spritzed a little perfume before leaving the house. It pairs especially well with lighter fabrics like cotton and linen, since those breathe well and let the fragrance move naturally around you, rather than trapping it too close to the skin. Many women keep a smaller travel size of this one in their handbag specifically for touch-ups after lunch or before an afternoon coffee with friends, since it refreshes easily without becoming overpowering, even with a second light spray. Now, before we move to number 4, I want to ask you something. Which of these 3 have you worn before, or which one are you already curious to try? Drop it in the comments below. I love reading through them. And while you are there, go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help more women just like you find this channel. Perfume number 4. Lancome Tresor. This one wraps around you like a soft blanket. Rose and peach notes blended with something warmer underneath, giving it that cozy, elegant feeling. It became popular in the 90s, and if you remember spritzing this before a big night out, you already know exactly what I mean. What surprises a lot of women when they try this again after years away from it is just how comforting it still feels. There is a softness to the dry down, the way it settles into a gentle warmth after the first hour, that makes it feel like a hug rather than a statement. It suits quiet evenings just as well as it suits family gatherings, which is part of why it has stayed a favorite in so many households across generations. It still holds up beautifully today, and often surprises people with how modern it smells despite being decades old. Daughters have been known to steal a bottle from their mother's dresser more than once, which might be the highest compliment a fragrance can receive. It also blends beautifully with body lotion for anyone who wants the scent to last even longer throughout the day. Apply an unscented or lightly scented lotion first, then layer the perfume on top. This little trick helps the fragrance bond with your skin rather than evaporating quickly, and it works especially well for scents like this one that thrive on warmth. Perfume number 5. Guerlain Shalimar. This is a bold one, and it is not for the woman who wants to blend into the background. Vanilla, citrus, and something smoky underneath make this feel almost like a signature rather than just a scent. Women who wear Shalimar tend to be remembered. This fragrance was actually inspired by a love story, created to represent devotion so deep it built gardens. You can almost feel that history in the way it unfolds, opening bright and citrusy before slowly settling into something warmer, richer, and undeniably sensual. It is best worn in the evening, when the air is cooler and the scent has room to breathe without competing against sunlight and heat. It says confidence without saying a single word, and it is a favorite among women who have always known exactly who they are. A single spray at the base of the throat is often all it takes for this one to carry through an entire dinner party. It is worth mentioning that this fragrance tends to divide a room the first time someone smells it, simply because it is so distinctive. Some people fall in love with it instantly, while others need a second or third encounter before they truly understand its appeal. That divisiveness is actually part of its charm. A fragrance that everyone agrees on rarely stands out, while one that sparks real opinions tends to be the one people remember for years afterward. Perfume number 6. Patou Joy. Once called the most expensive perfume in the world, this one carries a rich, layered floral bouquet that feels genuinely luxurious. The name alone tells you what to expect, since it was created during a difficult economic period with the intention of bringing a little happiness back into daily life. Rose and jasmine sit at the heart of it, blended so densely that even a small amount fills a room the moment you walk in. You do not need to spend a fortune to enjoy it now, as smaller bottles and travel sizes make it accessible. Many women keep it reserved for special occasions specifically because a single spray goes such a long way, making even a modest bottle last for years of special moments. It is proof that classic elegance never actually goes out of style. It just waits patiently for people to rediscover it. Some women reserve this one specifically for anniversaries, holidays, or important family gatherings, treating it almost like a fine piece of jewelry they only bring out for occasions that deserve it. There is nothing wrong with that approach at all. In fact, saving something special for special moments can make those moments feel even more meaningful, and it makes the scent itself feel like a small celebration every time you reach for it. Perfume number 7. Clinique Aromatics Elixir. This is the one people either love instantly or need a little time to appreciate, and once they do, they never go back. It has an earthy herbal depth that feels grounded and mature in the best possible way. It is not sweet, it is not fruity, it is simply sophisticated. There is something almost medicinal in the best possible sense to this scent. A blend of herbs and woods that feels closer to a walk through a garden after rainfall than a typical floral perfume. It genuinely stands apart from anything else on this list, which is exactly why the women who wear it tend to wear nothing else. It becomes part of their identity, rather than just another bottle on the shelf. If you want a scent that feels like it belongs to you and only you, this is worth trying. Just be prepared, because once people associate this scent with you specifically, they will notice immediately on the rare occasion you wear something different. Perfume number 8. Elizabeth Arden Red Door. Bold florals with a sense of drama. This one was made for the woman who walks into a room fully present. It has stayed a favorite for good reason, offering that instantly recognizable elegance without the high price tag some designer brands carry. The name itself comes from the iconic red door of Elizabeth Arden's original salon, a symbol of glamour that the fragrance was built to match. It leans heavily floral, with layers of lily, rose, and jasmine that feel intentionally dramatic rather than delicate. This makes it a wonderful choice for evenings out, holiday parties, or any occasion where you want to feel a little larger than life without changing anything about who you actually are. It photographs well too, in the sense that people remember the impression it leaves. Long after the party has ended, someone will still be able to describe exactly how you smelled walking through that door. This is also a wonderful choice for women who love the idea of feeling glamorous, but do not want to spend a fortune chasing that feeling. It gives off a similar energy to far more expensive designer florals, and most people simply cannot tell the difference between the two once it is on your skin. Confidence, after all, is the real finishing touch, and this fragrance gives you plenty of it to work with. Quick pause here because I want to make sure you are still with me. If this video is giving you ideas already, go ahead and subscribe now so you do not lose this channel. We post new videos regularly, all designed to help you feel confident, put together, and completely yourself, without draining your wallet. Okay, let's finish this list strong. Perfume number 9. Chanel Coco Mademoiselle Intense. A richer, deeper version of the classic, this one leans into warmth and sensuality, while still feeling appropriate for everyday wear. Think of it as the more confident older sister to the original Mademoiselle, with the same bright citrus opening but a much deeper, longer-lasting base underneath. This one tends to work beautifully across seasons, light enough for spring afternoons yet warm enough to hold its own against a chilly autumn evening. Many women find that this single bottle can replace 2 or 3 others in their collection, simply because it adapts so well depending on how much they apply and wear. It is the kind of scent that lingers just enough to be noticed without being overwhelming, striking that balance many women spend years trying to find. That balance alone makes it worth the investment. It also happens to be one of the easier scents to wear for women who are still discovering what they like, since it never feels overly complicated or difficult to place. If someone compliments you on it, you can simply say it is a deeper version of a classic, and watch their face light up with recognition, because chances are they already know the original by name even if they cannot quite place the scent itself. Perfume number 10. Dior J'adore. We are ending on one that feels like liquid gold, both in color and in how it makes you feel. Bright florals with a smooth, polished finish. This is the scent for the woman who wants to feel celebrated in her everyday life, not just on special occasions. The bottle alone was designed to resemble a golden torso, and the fragrance inside lives up to that same sense of celebration. Ylang-ylang, rose and jasmine blend together in a way that feels polished without ever feeling stiff or old-fashioned. It is often described as sunshine in a bottle, and once you wear it on a bright morning, you will understand exactly why. It has remained a favorite for a reason, and once you try it, you will understand why so many women reach for it again and again. It works just as well for a Tuesday grocery run as it does for a birthday dinner, which is part of what makes it such a versatile addition to any collection. So there you have it, 10 scents that have quietly turned heads for years, and will likely continue doing so for years to come. Notice something these all have in common. None of them are chasing trends. They are all confident, timeless, and unapologetically themselves, which honestly sounds a lot like the woman wearing them. A few final thoughts before we wrap up. When trying any of these for the first time, always test it on your own skin rather than relying purely on how it smells in the bottle or on a paper strip. Body chemistry changes everything, and a fragrance that smells incredible on your best friend might smell completely different on you. Sometimes even better. Apply it to pulse points, the wrist, behind the ears, the base of the throat, since these warmer areas of the body help release the fragrance gradually throughout the day. Also remember that less is often more. A confident, elegant woman does not need to be smelled from across the room the moment she walks in. She needs to be remembered after she has already left it. That subtlety is what separates a truly elegant scent from one that simply tries too hard. Let's talk for a moment about seasons because this is something a lot of women overlook. Lighter, citrus-forward scents like Mademoiselle or J'adore tend to shine brightest in spring and summer, when the warmth of the air already carries fragrance further and heavier notes can feel too intense against the heat. Meanwhile, richer scents like Shalimar or Youth do come alive in the colder months, when the cool air needs something warmer to cut through it. Wearing the right scent for the right season is a small detail, but it is exactly the kind of small detail that separates women who simply spray something on in the morning from women who actually understand fragrance as part of their personal style. Storage matters too, more than people realize. Perfume does not last forever once opened, and heat, sunlight, and humidity are its biggest enemies. Keep your bottles away from the bathroom windowsill or the vanity table that sits directly under a lamp. A cool, dark drawer or closet shelf will keep any of these scents fresh for years longer than leaving them exposed to daily sunlight ever will. And one more thing before we close out. Do not be afraid to build what is called a signature scent wardrobe, rather than committing to just one bottle forever. Many elegant women keep 2 or 3 of these in rotation, one lighter option for daytime, one warmer option for evenings, and one special occasion scent reserved for the moments that matter most. This way, your fragrance always matches the moment instead of feeling like an afterthought. One last piece of advice before we go. If you are unsure which of these 10 to start with, think about the woman you want people to remember when you leave a room. Do you want them to remember someone soft and comforting, someone bold and unforgettable, or someone bright and full of energy? Let that answer guide you, because the best fragrance is never the most expensive one or the most popular one. It is simply the one that feels most like you the moment you put it on. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment telling me which perfume you are most excited to try, and subscribe if you have not already. We have so much more coming, all designed to help you feel your absolute best at every stage of life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today, and I will see you in the next one.